Hey, Mr. Garage here, and just putting to rest some quick controversy on battery size. Somebody in the group is saying, oh, this battery is an uncommon size. You can't buy the battery for this Predator generator, which is totally untrue. Very common battery size. And if you want to see measurements on this battery, again, you can match it up to the part number that I'll give at the end of this video. Can't work a freaking tape measure one-handed. I guess that's a problem. Anyways, about 4.5 inches on the width. We have about 2 3/4 on depth, and pulled out here we have about 5 1/4 on the height. Anyways, that's your battery size. That's what fits in the Predator Gen. So I'll go get you guys what the part number is, and we'll be done with this topic.